Doesn't he need a lady friend? He wrote me a note that says he needs a lady friend. Is there a lady friend out there who wants for tank? Call me. So take care. Now remember, visit my website, invisiblegardener.com. Check it out, okay? Look at that. Nice and green and luscious. It'll fill in even more, but around here, this is really hard environment right now. So we have to fix this. So that's what we're going to work on next. We're going to get your whole garden together. Over here, see all this stuff? We're going to get it together. So this is the way it looks now. I already added some compost to it. Next week we're going to add some more good soil. Put in the drip system. It's going to be really, really nice here. My name is Andy Lopez, incredibly handsome and famous invisible gardener. That's me. See, that's nice, right? Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and water some more over here. That's a low spot right there. See, we want that part to be like, soak the water in. Then when we get this drip system in, it will make a big difference here. Fish emulsion. So if it says organic on it, you know it doesn't have urea in it. You don't want it as a turtle. He wants to get involved in everything. You don't want urea in your fish emulsion. You don't want urea in anything. So this is organic fish emulsion. It has a natural source of nitrogen. It shouldn't say urea at all in the back here. Let me see nitrogen. See, water soluble organic nitrogen. See, no urea. You don't want urea. Urea kills the beneficial bacteria. So if we're trying to encourage beneficial bacteria to grow, no urea.
Okay.
So we'll give it a little bit of that. You don't need more anymore. Okay. See, we give it this one. Give it to this one.
Okay, next.
This is going to finish it all up. Not bad. I did not do that. Isn't this clever? Bacteria will eat through the hard pan. We have to help it a little bit eventually to break it up or something. This is the best place. This is like under the tongue of the tree. Anything you go here, that tree will absorb. That's why we picked this spot here. Because you look, it's like almost in the middle of the tree, which is perfect for that. And we'll do the same thing over here. Huh? Huh? And we want, I want like a slow, it would be great if we could have a, okay, this one goes in there. See, isn't that nice? We have these to protect from the tank knocking them over. Normally you don't need them. But you have to customize everything for people. And the whole thing we're doing is for the tree, but we're also helping Tank to get his environment back. He writes to me all the time. There you go. This is the one that's not going down so fast, so we're gonna have to keep an eye on it because this whole area is really, really super hot. Appreciate if you water a little more, slowly but sure. When we get the drip system around, it'll be fine. Until then, agua, échale agua, okay? Hi, this is Andy Lopez, better known as the Invisible Gardener. Visit my website, invisiblegardener.com. Check it out. Thank you. Bye.